everyone. I'm K. Michael Perolino. Today we're gonna discuss the parts and function of this car, model Starex 2018. Okay, let's start. This is the battery.
A car battery is a rechargeable power source that provides electricity to start the engine and powers the vehicle electrical system. Next
Is the engine.
a car engine is the component that converts fuel into mechanical energy to move the vehicle.
The next one is the air cleaner.
An air cleaner filter is a component in a car that removes dust, dirt, and other contaminants from the air before it enters the engine. The next one is a
Radiator.
radiator is a key part of a car cooling system. It transfers heat from the engine coolant to the air, helping to regulate the engine's temperature and prevent overheating.
This one is the headlight.
A headlight is a front-facing light on a vehicle that illuminates the road ahead during low visibility conditions such as night or in a bad weather.
This one is the wiper.
A wiper is a device on a vehicle's windshield that clears rain, snow, and debris, ensuring the driver has clear view of the road.
And for this one, this is the wheel.
A wheel is a circular component that allows a vehicle to move. It connects to the axle and supports the tire, enabling the vehicle to roll and providing traction and stability on the road.
For this one, this is the door.
A car door is a hinged panel that allows entry and exit from the vehicle.
For this one, this is the seat.
A car seat is a flat seat inside a vehicle designed for comfort and safety.
This one is the steering wheel.
A steering wheel is a control device used by the driver to direct the vehicle's movement.
This is the accelerator.
The accelerator controls the amount of fuel and air entering the engine, regulating the vehicle's speed based on how much pressure is applied.
This is the foot brake.
Foot brakes are primarily braking system in a car, activated by pressing the brake pedal.
The next is the clutch.
A foot clutch is a pedal in manual transmission vehicles that engage or disengage the engine from transmission.